Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a set of press-ons by using affordable nail finds, and today we're diving into everything Born Pretty. We're going to be playing with some new to me products and see how they perform, and we're going to see what we create. I do not have like a vision or anything like that. I do know that I want to pull in some cat eyes, so that's where we're going to start with, is just playing with some cat eyes. So the first one that we're going to dive into, this one is called Violet Haze, and the number is MY46. And this one looks really beautiful. It's soft. I feel like this is a great timeless color, and it's also perfect for that cozy season. And the first coat, so I'm right off the bat, I'm noticing we have good coverage. It is giving you just like that slight mauve color shining through, but I am very intrigued to see what this looks like when the magnet hits it. And there we go. Isn't that beautiful? So I am using a nail stand that does have a magnet piece on the bottom of it, and we're still getting a really good magnetic pull. If you are struggling creating a cat eye design with a magnet and you are using a stand like this, you could always use a stand that does not have a magnetic bottom. That's going to make all the difference in the world when you are creating your cat eye designs. So we're going to pop that in the lamp, and then here's what it looks like cured. I will say I am impressed by the coverage that we got with that first coat. It's like the perfect kind of rose gold glass moment that we have, and I'm here for it. But I do want to see what it looks like with a second coat. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to end up doing 2 coats and then hitting it with the magnet. And then we are going to pull in one other cat eye here in just a moment. And then I'm going to kind of combine both of them together just to kind of see what kind of effect we get and how, and just I'm really curious to see how they're going to look together. So that's what we're going to do here in just a moment. And now we're hitting it with the magnet again with that second layer, and you can really see all those colors and the magnetical particles are just way brighter, and it has a really unique effect with that 2 coats. And the magnet that I'm using, I will link in that description box below. It's a total game changer when it comes to cat eyes. It's been my go-to magnet here for a while, and I'm absolutely loving the results. So here's what we're working with 2 coats. It's really beautiful, and I also do not have a flash on my camera right now, so this is just what it looks like with my regular lighting. Now moving on to the next color. This one is called Hyacinth. This is an absolutely beautiful color, and we're going to pair the 2 cat eyes together just to create a unique look. Plus I want to see what they look like side by side, so I figured let's just do a little bit of a ombre kind of moment here, which is super easy to do and always fun to do with cat eyes. And then we also will use this color on one other nail, so you can get the full visual on how this color looks on its own without being paired with another color. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's finish up the gel process, and then we're going to get into some really fun nail art. All right, so I went ahead and finished up the rest of the gel polish application off camera, and then here's what we're working with. I am absolutely loving this color palette, and I feel like these colors are so perfect for that cozy rustic season. This is also a great one for winter. This looks good just like this on its own. You're getting a lot of depths with the magnetic pull that we have, so this looks beautiful just like this. But we're going to take it up a notch and we're going to play with another product that I've been dying to play with. So before we go in with this beautiful metal painting gel in the color silver, I just went ahead and wiped off the nails with a lint-free wipe with a little bit of alcohol on it to remove that tacky layer. And then look at this. Doesn't this look like hot liquid metal? So it is the viscosity is very thin. So you want to make sure that you are storing this in the upright position. And then we're just going to take some on the brush. I just dipped that brush right into that silver, and then we're just going to create some random squiggles. And for this is my test nail right here, because at first I was like, is this what I want to do? Do I want to make some lines? And I just wanted to see what the silver looked like on top of the cat eye nail. And this right here I was like, okay, this is the direction we're going in, and I'm totally loving it. I will say this silver was so easy to work with. So right away, in real time, we're just going to go ahead and just draw just a random squiggly line. We're just going to make all different directions. And I almost had the perfect, just like beautiful crisp line. And then I just went in there one more time just to clean it up a little bit and just make it a little bit bolder. And then that is all I needed to do. This was so easy to use. I tried silver gels like this before, and sometimes they're super thick or they're too sticky. So they're not really they don't flow easily over the nail. This one just glides right over the nail, and you can create literally any little line in seconds. All right, so here's what we're working with. I will say I do like the satin finish that we have going on with that silver. That is definitely just absolutely beautiful, but it is not a non-wipe, so you do need to go ahead and seal it in with your gel top coat. So we're just going to seal in everything now with a layer of gel top coat and then cure for a full 60 seconds. And then I also did cure that silver for a full 60 seconds as well. But here's the finished look. I love it. There's just something about these colors, and then we have just this fun pop of silver coming through with that nail art. And then here's what it looks like with the flash on. The flash definitely just like brings this all together, and you can really see all that metallic goodness. And then here's what it looks like on. I did keep the flash on so you could see all the beautiful cat eye goodness that this has to offer. I will say I am pleasantly surprised. Once again, Born Pretty hit it out of the park. I absolutely love how these polishes worked, and I'm blown away by that silver gel painting that we used. Oh, that was absolutely just the easiest silver I ever used. So the gel polishes you can get through the Born Pretty storefront on Amazon, but the silver gel you do have to get directly through their website, but you get free shipping after $20, plus the price point is just right, and they do not hit you with any of that tariff fees or anything like that. So I will go ahead and link everything that I use in today's video in that description box below. But overall, once again, I'm really impressed by these affordable nail finds. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's simple nail look, and I'll see you all in the next one.